Okay, today's vlog. Okay, before we start, I just want to go through the trades for this week, just like how we always do. Seems like my dollar-yen trade went through. Let me check on that, I'll be right back. Okay, so it did go through. For you guys who've been following my wall and my blog, you know I have a new thesis on the Japanese yen. It's just for the end of the year. It's down slightly right now, but I think we'll be okay. Anyway, it's small position, so we should be fine. Okay, pound, we made 2 trades that made money, which is about $900, and the yen we made about $30. So in total plus last week, I'm up about $870, which is slightly less than my minimum target for the month, but I think we're fine. So like I told you guys, I usually only trade until the 15th of December and I stop because of window dressing for the rest of the year. I may try and go in and make one more trade just to get above the 900, but I'm not going to try and risk too much. This trade that is open right now, I don't see it coming to full fruition until next year, so I'm just going to leave it open for the time being. But hopefully, like my blog post says, I don't really know whether I want it to work out. Everything points in the right direction, but okay, so today's vlog, 5 reasons why I'm putting money with Copyfunds. And reason number 1, risk score. My risk score has been high recently, and that's because I don't really diversify. And my reason for doing that is I only take part in very specific trades. I don't believe I can manage too many, so that's why my risk score is a bit higher. I don't like it because it's not really reflective of the way I trade, so doing this should reduce my risk score slightly, and that's good for me. Which comes to point number 2. It is technically risk-free because eToro is guaranteeing the money. So if you lose anything, eToro will refund you the amount that you've lost. So if I can reduce my risk score free, why not? Comes to reason number 3. Undeployed capital. You see, I don't use a lot of my capital. A lot of it's leveraged and we don't really need the additional funds that are there. The only reason why I do it like this, again, is risk score managing. So deploying it somewhere else is actually kind of useful. Okay, reason number 4. It is something I want to recommend to people. eToro is something I want to recommend to everybody. And Copyfunds is the easiest way to do it. It makes a lot of sense. So if I can kind of figure out how this works, it's easier to sell, I'm in. And this is the final reason. And number 5, and it's the most personal to me. Honestly guys, I have been getting a bit lazy. I told you guys I benchmarked my performance against certain traders. Unfortunately, some of them lost money, like this month and last month. So if I take just that as a benchmark, what happens is I get a little bit complacent. And like this week, I actually told my wife I didn't feel like trading this week because why do I need to? I've already made what I need to make for the month. But that is a loser's mentality and doesn't work in trading. Copyfunds at least gives me something to put something under my butt so I get moving, and that's really, really important in trading. Okay, and those are my 5 reasons. I think number 5 is the best. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay guys, that's it.